So we're here at Paynes Prairie State Park, getting ready to make some breakfast.
Welcome, RV Calvary. We've got a pretty simple recipe here that makes a great breakfast. We had some people ask about it, so we're going to show you what we do, and you can put your own twist on this as you like. But this one's got a little bit of a twist of ours. May take a little extra work, but it actually worked out, and this actually happened by accident a little bit, but which we should have known. But anyway, it is what it is. But when we were making our grocery list for our camping trip, we bought all the ingredients, and we typically just slap it together on that morning with our when we're making our breakfast. And well, we used to make these all the time in our daughter's concession stand and in our restaurants and stuff, and they were always a big hit. Well, we're sitting there and we're putting all this stuff together. Lauren's prepping everything, my wife Lauren, and we're getting ready to make these. And we typically make the eggs omelet style. You know, you just fold them over just like McDonald's and some of these other places do. Well, our daughter decided that she wanted hers different. She wanted her egg fried, and instead of the scrambled omelet style. So if you have children in high school, you know they're going to throw you that curveball all the time, and especially at the last minute, which was this same thing here. So as we prepped everything, and we decided to do this, she likes, it adds a little bit because some people like their bacon crispy, some of them like it chewy, and all of that's the same thing with eggs. So it does add a lot more customization. So my daughter likes hers yolks runny. I like mine runny. My wife Lauren likes hers hard, as you can see here. So this is, but you know what? It only takes a few more minutes, and these things actually came out really, really good. It's kind of our new favorite, and it just added a different flair. But anyway, I hope you like the video, and we butter both sides of these things. We butter up our croissants, and these things actually came out really good. Please like and subscribe our video. And if you want more of these, just let us know. Also, we'll put the link to our blog where it's got the full recipe on there and instructions. Like I said, these are really, really simple to make. And you can pretty much watch a video and see what we did. You can use any cheese you want. We use thick sliced bacon as well. And we use the Munster cheese that we're adding right now. We melted on there a little bit. The biggest thing that I can tell you is if you're want your eggs to be more of the runny style, where your yolks are intact, don't press down as I did. I pressed down on one of them, and guess what? It popped the yolk and it went everywhere. So anyway, just some of those things that you live and learn. So, but anyway, hope you guys enjoy it, and hope everybody's doing well.